feels great to be graduating. It was a very long journey, very hard.
It's different when it's in paper, and it's just saying like all the work you've done, and after it's great. I'm happy.
We're so close. We're probably closer than any other class.
Push until we got to the end. So it's a great feeling.
Take the bull by the horns, go out and do it.
Gents, girls, we, just keep pushing.